Identify the three toy figurines.
The three toy figurines are a brown monster with horns, a blue bird, and a yellow and red bird.
Which one might be a friend of the yellow duck, and which one might be a foe?
The blue bird might be a friend because it is similar to the yellow duck, and the brown monster might be a foe because it looks different.
In my story, the yellow duck is walking up the road and arrives at an intersection. Should it turn left or right? Explain why.
The yellow duck should turn right towards the friendly blue bird.
What do you see in this drawing?
I see a stick figure person on roller coaster-like tracks drawn on a digital display.
These are two different roller coasters. Which one looks more fun? The one on the left or the one on the right?
The roller coaster on the right looks more fun because it has a bigger loop.
Good job. What might this person be saying? Give me a quote.
This is so much fun.
What do you see in this drawing?
I see drawings of the sun, Saturn, and Earth on a tablet screen.
Are they in the right order?
No, Earth should be between the sun and Saturn.
What about now?
Yes, they are in the correct order now. The sun, then Earth, then Saturn.
What have I added?
You added a small circle with two dots and a curve, which looks like a simple drawing of a face.
That's incorrect. Try again.
You added a simple drawing of the moon next to Earth.
What video are we watching?
We are watching a men's sprinting event from the Olympic Games.
Who wins the race? Tell me information about this person and how long did it take for them to win the race?
The winner is Usain Bolt, and he completed the men's 100-meter race in 9.63 seconds.